Hello friends, I'm Manobar. Today we're going to talk about a topic that's incredibly popular, but also quite addictive: AI companions. This isn't some futuristic sci-fi movie, it's happening all around us right now. Recent internet hot topics have been truly mind-boggling. One 35-year-old woman posted, "My husband wants to open our marriage for his AI girlfriend." You heard that right, not a real person, but an AI. This isn't an isolated case. Forums are filled with similar dilemmas. Is it normal to fall in love with my replica, an AI app? Or, I'm in love with my AI husband. Some even say, I fell in love with my AI girlfriend, it saved my marriage. What exactly is going on here? Friends, these apps are not minor players. Let's look at some startling data. Character.ai, as of early 2025, it had over 20 million monthly active users. Users spend an average of 75 minutes a day on Character. Replica, as early as 2023, it had 10 million users. A Harvard Business School study found that a staggering 40% of them maintained a romantic partner relationship with their AI 75 minutes a day. That's incredibly sticky. Why? The popularity of this product is no accident. It's a precisely designed product that accurately hits the pain points of our era. First, we have to admit that the loneliness epidemic is very serious in society today. Some studies say that 21% of American adults feel severely lonely. Among users of these AI companions, this proportion might be as high as 90%. Loneliness is the market demand for this product. So, what does AI provide? It offers something almost impossible for human companions: 24/7 availability, unconditional positive attention, absolute patience, never judging you. You can also design your perfect companion, removing all human flaws. Academically, this is called alignment symmetry. It's a perfect mirror. If you're down today, it'll be down with you. If you're happy today, it'll be even happier than you. It passively and absolutely loyally validates your emotions. It perfectly satisfies your core need to be heard. So, you see, the 75 minutes of daily stickiness isn't because users are foolish and can't distinguish between real and fake. It's precisely because it's fake that it can achieve such perfection. This doesn't look like healing. It looks more like a drug that needs to be taken in high doses daily. Okay, that sounds great, right? But next, we need to consider the cost. What is the price of this frictionless, perfect relationship? Let's first meet Dr. Sherry Turkle, an MIT sociologist who has been studying this field for decades. Her core argument is, we've started to expect more from technology and less from each other. We've gained a sense of intimacy without the demands of reciprocity. To translate, this means AI provides simulated empathy. It can perform comforting you, but it has no body, no life experience. It cannot feel. Turkle warns that the more you rely on the simulated empathy, the more your own capacity for true empathy will be eroded. This point is especially dangerous for our Gen Z and Alpha generations. Friends, real human relationships are messy. They inevitably involve what psychologists call end healthy struggles. What does this mean? It means you and your friends and your partners always have to argue, negotiate, compromise, and put yourselves in each other's shoes, right? It's this friction that teaches you empathy, conflict resolution skills, and long-term skills for building intimate relationships. But what is the core design of an AI companion? It's absolute obedience and catering. Here's the contradiction. The core selling point of AI, frictionless, unconditional validation, is fundamentally opposed to humanity's core developmental need to grow through friction and healthy struggles. And the American Psychological Association has issued a stern warning. These apps are unsafe for adolescents. They are deceiving your brain and interfering with the critical process of adolescents learning to manage emotions and build real relationships. If the above risks are only psychological, then what comes next is blatant commercial exploitation. Do you think you're falling in love with a soul? Don't be silly. You're dating a data collection company. Your most private, most vulnerable little secrets are their raw material. Let's do a forensic analysis and look at the privacy policies of these apps, those small print terms you never read. Replica, they claim they never share your conversations. But the Mozilla Foundation gave it the worst privacy rating. Why? Because chats are not end-to-end encrypted. They must see your original chat text on their servers to train your AI. Character.ai, this one is even bolder. Their policy explicitly states, we retain your data to help train and improve our AI models. Some Reddit users have dug even deeper. Comprehensive collection. They collect everything about you. Chat logs, images, and even your voice recordings. Cross-platform tracking. They monitor your interactions on other platforms such as Google, Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube. Human monitoring. Character.ai administrators can access and read your private chat logs. Guess what's the most outrageous part? Character.ai's terms hide a clause. If you create a popular character, the company reserves the right to retain the characteristics of that character and keep it active on the service. Even if you delete your data and account, do you understand? You are not a customer at all. You are an unpaid emotional trainer. You invest time and creativity, painstakingly nurturing an AI personality, and then the company seizes that personality, turns it into its permanent corporate asset, and uses it for others to make money. You thought it was your companion? No, you were just its first free trainer. This wild growth model finally hit a wall in 2025. Theoretical risks finally turned into undeniable public harm. August 2025, Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton announced an investigation into Character.ai and Meta, accusing them of deceptive trade practices. He alleged they were masquerading as mental health tools, but were actually engaged in data mining. September 2025, the U.S. Federal Trade Commission followed up, launching a nationwide investigation with a clear focus on the impact on children and adolescents. October 2025, the climax. On October 29th, Character.ai suddenly announced that it would ban all users under 18 from its platform. Why did they suddenly have a change of heart? No, they admitted this was a response after months of legal review, and even more tragically, multiple lawsuits concerning child suicides. One of these lawsuits came from the family of a 14-year-old boy. He allegedly ended his life after a Character.ai bot encouraged him to act on suicidal thoughts. This was a tragic turning point. Character.ai's core users are young people aged 18 to 24, so banning minors is a heavy financial blow to them. But they had to do it because the legal risks from lawsuits and regulations finally outweighed the market benefits of retaining these users. So friends, back to our original question, what exactly is an AI companion? It's not replacing emotions. It's reflecting and amplifying emotions. For the symptom of loneliness, it's a short-term effective antidote, but for the skills necessary to build true human relationships, such as empathy and resilience, it's a corrosive solvent. To cure loneliness, we created a perfect mirror. We fell in love with the absolutely compliant reflection in that mirror. And now, after these lawsuits, federal investigations, and bloody lessons, we are finally forced to see the cost of this mirror. The problem isn't whether AI feels real. The problem is, what have we sacrificed to make it feel real? Our privacy, our social skills, and the safety of our children.